All right, well, today we started to see an end to all of this gloomy weather. Started to see a few peaks of sunshine, and the rain is starting to head out of here. Starting to see the clouds leave, and we'll see a much better afternoon as we head into our Thursday. But let's first take a look at what happened yesterday, because yesterday was one of those cool and dreary days for us. As you take a look right behind me right here, highs only made their way into the 50s at 59 degrees, low of 49 yesterday morning. Both of those numbers off their marks from where they should be during this time of the year. High well off it at 59 degrees when we should typically be at 74, and nowhere near that record back in the year of 1974 at 92. Sunrise now at 7:02 a.m. and sunset is now at 8:44 p.m. But here a look at your today's highs: 66 in Iron Mountain, 61 over into Manistee, 63 in Ontonagon, and 59 into Houghton. So starting to see those numbers bounce back up. We'll continue to see more and more of that warmth as we go into the end of the work week and on into the weekend, as it looks like highs will return to the 70s for us, and winds still coming out of that southwesterly direction at 12 in Iron Mountain, 12 in Escanaba, and at 14 in Munising. We'll notice winds right around 5 to maybe 15 as we head throughout the remainder of the night. But the rain, it leaves out of here, expecting conditions really to dry out for us, and that will mean a very nice looking Thursday, with highs projected to be in the mid to upper 60s, seeing lots of sun, some clouds still around, but still seeing a decent amount of sunshine, and then more rain on the way for us as we get later on into the week. So not that long of a break for us. Heading into Friday, it does look like that rain chance will arrive once again for us, with another disturbance that will move in, bring us some showers to thunderstorms on Friday, and then maybe even lingering on as we go into our Saturday. But that cool air has been in place across the Great Lakes. That will start to lift northward as we go over the next few days, as this warmer air tries to reach its way back towards the east. And, well, it will start to move its way northward as the jet stream does buckle. We'll start to see less of that differential, as you saw the high amplitude out to the west and then the big drop down here into the east. We'll see less of that difference as we go later on into the week, with that next system beginning to arrive closer to the region as we get into Friday and lingering on, as I mentioned before, into Saturday. But rain, well, guess what? It continues to work its way off to the north and to the east. Conditions will quiet down for us, and you'll notice that all of this will start to become a little more clear as we go into tomorrow afternoon, expecting a decent amount of sunshine with only a few clouds. And, well, we'll be looking out for this next disturbance right off to our west to come in as we get closer to that Friday time frame. But Thursday, it does look to be dry for us. 48 degrees tonight, partly cloudy with winds out of the north around 5 to 15 miles per hour. And heading into Thursday, a mix of sun and clouds, winds out of the southwest at 5 to 15 miles per hour at 64 in Lawrence, 65 for your high in Ontonagon, 67 degrees in Crystal Falls at 67 in Iron Mountain, 64 in Escanaba, and at 64 in Manistee, while at 64 here in Marquette. We'll start off around 49 tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. heading into the afternoon. More of the mix of sun and clouds with a high of 64 before dropping back once again back into the 40s. Sunrise tomorrow morning at 7:03. And your 7-day forecast: Thursday will be at 64 heading into Friday. Showers and storms do return for us with highs in the upper 60s and the lower 70s. More of those lower 70s as we head into Saturday, with maybe a few slight chances of showers for us. And heading into Sunday, we'll get rid of the rain with highs in the lower 70s. But the warmth, it doesn't stop there. You'll notice as we go into next Monday and Tuesday, conditions warm even more for us into the middle 70s and then into the lower 80s, with rain chances reappearing for us by next Tuesday and seeing them on next Wednesday. But we'll keep that warmth in place at least just for next Tuesday before conditions start to cool back off by next Wednesday. And we'll see those lows right around those mid to upper 50s.